So, what seems to be the problem this time?
Well, Joe and Hillary think it is unfair that I achieved the position as the President of the United States, and tell them that they should fuck off because I won fair square.
No, you did not. They picked you because you're black.
Yeah, and obviously America is sexist because I am the best here. Of course, and I did not get elected.
Hold on, stop yelling and be an adult. Obama is president and you know it, and it is not because he is black, it's because you are not a good president.
Wait, what?
Yeah, what?
Well, if you would let me finish, I was going to say, you are not a good president according to America because Obama did win fair and square.
Alright, I guess. By the way, who was that other black guy right there?
I do not know.